headlight. What we're going to do is we're going to use Chemical Guys Headlight Restorer, and Sarah's going to film the action while we take care of this. Luckily, it's not too bad, so all we got to do is use our drill and, as we call it, the blue brain. So what we're going to do is record it while I go to going to take this stuff. I'm going to lightly rub the compound on every area that we can with the light. No, I know I don't have any tape on it. It's usually an idea to tape up, but this is my car, so if it's a client's, we will tape up. It's my car, it's completely okay with me. Alright, so a little excess there, wipe that off. Get on that, okay, and we're ready to go. Excess off. You may have to do it a couple of times depending on how hazy it is, but usually the last time we did these set of lights particularly, it only took once. Take a look at that. One little coat goes a long way. Headlights are hazy, we highly recommend Chemical Guys Headlight Restore.